Hello everyone. This is an introduction to the OpenAltimetry tool for visualizing and accessing data from NASA's ICESat spaceborne altimeter with data from ICESat 2 to come soon. You can scroll on this opening screen to learn a little bit more about the project and the team and contact information. To get started with the visualizer, click on the Get Data button. This will bring up a window with a view of the world. This reminder in the center of the screen is telling you that you need to zoom closer in order to see the ground tracks and the data. We'll close that. Note in the upper right that you can view the data from a north polar projection or a south polar projection. Along the bottom is a timeline with sliders where you can control the date range and the campaigns, which are labeled in the current view. And then there's zoom controls in the upper left. We'll go down here to Antarctica. So at a certain zoom level, you'll start to see the ground tracks. These are the ascending and descending orbits of the satellite. The green lines represent the 91-day repeat tracks. The dimmer green lines are tracks which don't have data and are there for reference. The pink tracks are from the 8-day repeat campaign that was operated at the beginning of the mission. So if we zoom in even further, we'll start to see blue dots that represent the individual laser shots. And along the left hand, you'll see an indicator showing what percentage of the shots are being shown. So this actually acts as a zoom control. And as you see, as you zoom in closer, you see a greater fraction of the shots being displayed. Click on any shot to get information about it. Track ID, campaign identification, latitude and longitude, in decimal degrees, elevation in meters, and time and date. Click on a track, and you're given the option to view the track data in a new window. Here you'll see the shots are now color-coded. We'll zoom a little further in. And then not all the shots fall on the line. These represent over here to the right of the track, off-pointing by the instrument. Notice the addition of a Select a Region button in this view. If we click and drag, a plot appears. This is a plot of elevation versus latitude, with the campaigns color-coded and a mouse over providing information about the data, each data point. You can click and drag to zoom in on a portion of the plot, and you can turn on and off different campaigns by clicking on the label for that campaign. You can reset the zoom with that button, and you can draw a new box as you wish. You can zoom back out and look at a different portion of the orbit. And then you can download the data by hitting this button, and you get a comma-separated value file, or you can save the image, the plot being shown, in various formats. Along the bottom are sliders to control the time range of the data being shown. So if you narrow the time range, you'll see some of the tracks disappear. And the label of the time range corresponds to the various campaigns. So those are the main features of the OpenAltimetry tool, and we hope you enjoy using it.